Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at Beeper Mini on my Z Flip 5 here. And this is iMessage for Android directly on your device, no signing into a remote server, everything is done locally. So whereas the regular Beeper, you would sign into an offsite Mac of some sort, and it would basically relay your messages to your phone on their app, but it would go through a Mac Mini in one of their server.
Good afternoon. How can I help?
Siri, I'm not talking to you. One of their locations, and it would relay it to your phone. With Beeper Mini, this is all done directly on the app on your phone. There's no sign-in required, so you don't have to sign into your Apple ID. It registers your phone number with iMessage just as your iPhone would right on this app. Now you still can sign in with an Apple ID if you want to use like an email or something like that, but like I said, you can register your number directly, and I'm going to show you here. If we pop over into settings here, if you go to manage connections, you can see the phone numbers and emails here, and then you have register phone number right here. I don't have a SIM in this phone right now, so none of these are going to work, but I am signed in with my Apple ID right here. And if you want to end it, you just unlink and sign out with Beeper right there. So there's all that. You've got preferences here, so you can send your read receipts, all that kind of stuff, just like you can with the regular app. And you've got your brightness or your color themes and stuff like that. Pop into a chat here. You can see up on the top here, you can choose to share your contact photo and name, just as you can with iMessage on an iPhone. And that comes from the account preferences right here. Let's see, so if we go to your top right here, that is where you choose your profile image and stuff like that. Sorry, I have to keep moving it away. I don't want to show an email address that I have in there. But there you go. Read receipts, everything like that works. Photos, all your iMessage features work directly on the Beeper app right here on Android. And again, you do not have to have anything on your iPhone or sign into a remote Mac or anything like that. Everything is done right here on your device. So very, very cool. It is $199 a month, and there is a 7-day free trial to get you started if you want to try it out. And it's just a subscription through the Play Store. So like I said, $199 a month, not a big deal if you want to get iMessage features on your Android device. I just do it because I have an iPhone as well, so it's easy to keep everything on iMessage. That way, if I switch to my iPhone, I've got everything on there. I can still use messages through my Mac and send iMessages on there, and it stays up to date on my phone as well. So since basically everybody uses iMessage that I know, it's just an easy way to keep everything unified in one messaging platform, whether I be on Android or iOS. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.